Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser if you're new here. If you're not new, then welcome back. So as you can see, today I'm showing you guys how I did this protective hairstyle. It's crochet butterfly locks. I don't know if you've tried it or if you haven't. If you tried them before, did you just do them by yourself or did you also just do the crochet ones like I'm doing? But I absolutely love the hairstyle and it's simple to create by yourself, or of course you can go to the salon to get it done as well. So this hair is from Niseyo.com. They have sponsored this video and I absolutely love that they actually send you a crochet needle. In fact, 2 crochet needles. You know when you buy crochet hair and then you get it and you're starting to wonder where your crochet needle is? I thought it was just really convenient that they actually send you a crochet needle. So I was excited about that. The hair comes with 7 packs. I actually noticed on their website that they have 6 packs and 1 pack, so you can choose whichever one you want to buy. And these ones are in 12 inches. On their website they also have 24 inches if you're interested in getting longer ones. I think the 12 inches are perfect for me, and as you can see, they're like, I guess, distressed locks, you can call them that as well. So before I install the hair, I like to make sure that I wash it. So what I'm going to do next is basically take some apple cider vinegar, and then I'm going to add shampoo. You can use any shampoo that you have, just add as much as you need to, and then I'm going to add warm water into the bowl, and then I'll put all the hair in there. After I've filled up the hair and the water in the little plastic bowl, I'm going to let it sit for about 2 hours, and then I let the hair dry overnight before I install it. Well, you don't have to install it the next day, but you should just wash it. So that's what the hair looks like, you know, going in the basket and everything. And I basically dried it overnight. So now this is my braid pattern. I just needed to create a base for me to crochet the hair. So as you can see, you don't really need to go crazy. You don't need to know how to do cornrows. You can basically even pull your hair into a bun and still be able to crochet it, and it's going to last long. I wanted to make sure that I'm not pulling my hair or at least my hairline into the hair, so I left it out. That's what I was just trying to show you. And that's where I have my part, which I ended up hating at the end. But this is me already install about half of the hair, and I'm just going to show you guys how I was doing the crochet. So as you can see, I do the normal crochet and then I go and loop at the end as well, and I pull it in. I found that to be the easiest way to do this crochet. So as you can see, the first one, and then you take the end and also pull it through. That was the quickest way for me to do the crochet. It took me a while to actually get that. I was trying to pull the crochet end inside without using the crochet needle, and I found that to be a little bit difficult and was a little bit time consuming. In total, it took me about 2 hours to do this crochet hairstyle. It's probably going to take you a shorter amount of time if you do the pull the end through thing that I showed you. It just took me a while to figure out that I should be doing that instead of pulling the end inside by itself. So as you can see at the front, because I wanted to make sure that I can flip it, that's why I did the rubber band method, and then I connected the little boxes. So I'm just going to crochet it and then I'll see how the hairstyle looks like. I was actually really worried that the hair was not going to be enough, because as much hair as I kept installing, it still looked a little bit empty for me. But at the end, as you can see, it looked pretty full and the hairstyle looked nice. Like I have a lot of hair on my head. By the way, if you're going to use the rubber band method to make the boxes, make sure you don't pull the boxes too tight, because if you pull them too tight, you won't be able to pull the locks in to crochet the hair. So make sure the boxes are not tight when you put on the rubber bands. Otherwise, please, ladies, it's going to be so painful. Please make sure you're not doing that, okay? Just take your time to do them and don't pull the boxes too tight. or you won't be able to crochet anything. I'm saying that because I did that and I had to take them out, so I'm trying to save you the trouble. Okay, so I didn't like where the part was at the beginning, so I decided to use this as a part instead. It still looks really nice, or at least I like it. And then I wanted to add accessories because I know some of you actually like accessories and you want to see how that is going to look like with accessories. I actually personally like the ones without accessories, just because I feel like if you have a clean face or foundation and some lipstick on, the hairstyle itself is enough of a look without adding a lot of accessories to it. But if you love accessories, I do love accessories too, admittedly, but not on this hairstyle. But I absolutely love the crochet look. I love that. I think that this is a really great protective hairstyle, especially for the winter right now when you don't want to deal with your hair. And actually going out with wet hair, in winter can be pretty annoying. You don't want to get sick or like just go out with cold hair. It's quite uncomfortable. So this is what the hair looks like. I went farther and I played with the hair. I just wanted to try different hairstyles and see how the hair would look like. But you can definitely watch that and see how, well, I didn't really actually show how I was doing it. I think I just showed you like different hairstyles that I tried while I was playing with the hair. But this is it for the video, guys. I hope you're enjoying it. I hope that you're starting out your new year great. I hope you're taking care of yourself, whatever that means for you, whether it's going for a walk, whether it's spending time with your kids, whether it's listening to music, whatever taking care of yourself is for you. I hope you're practicing that in this new year. Don't forget that all those people that rely on you, they need you to take care of yourself, because you need to be the best you to be there for them. So please, in this new year, practice self-care a lot. Don't forget about yourself. Don't put everyone else first. You should be first, and then all those other people that you take care of or that you love or that need you should come after. And no, it's not selfish. Well, it is selfish, but that's how it's supposed to be. Okay? You need to be your best self before you can give yourself to other people, or at least the best version of yourself. I hope you enjoyed the videos, ladies. I'm hoping to see you next week. I'm still working on consistency, so right now we'll still do with one video a week, but I'll try to move it to 2 videos soon, but just 1 video a week at the moment. Thanks for coming by the channel, guys. Have a lovely weekend and a lovely week. Bye. Thank you.